am going to explain a simple but powerful web application built using AngularJS, a to-do list app. This application allows users to manage their tasks by adding and removing items in real time using AngularJS data binding and controller features. Let let's uh, let's begin by looking at the code. First, we declare a document as HTML5 using doctype HTML. Then we define a root of our AngularJS app using the ng app directive. This tells AngularJS to treat this HTML as a part of our Angular application, and the name of the app is to do app. Inside the body tag, we use this binds our HTML view to a controller called to do controller, which is contains all the logic or for managing task. Next, we have an input field and a button. ng model is equal to ng to do binds the input to the variable called new to do. As the user types, Angular updates the variable in real time. When the button is clicked, it triggers the add to do function defined in our controller. ng repeat. We then use the ng repeat directive to list all tasks. ng repeat to do in to dos looks through the to dos array and displays each item. The Angular way to display the dynamic content, the remove button uses ng click is equal to remove tool to do index to remove the clicked item from the array. Now let's look at the JavaScript code that powers this app. This part is written inside the script tag. First, we define a modulo called to do app. Then we define a controller named to do controller. This sets up the initial list into two items. The scope object allows us to pass data between HTML and the controller. The add to do function checks if the input is not empty, then pushes it into the to do's array. After adding, it clears the input box. To delete a task, the remove to do function uses slice to remove an item from the array using its index.